Welcome to Baugan Inglés 4.0, the radio show with Kyle Miller. Following class by class, step by step, the material of Baugan Inglés 4.0 on Aprende Inglés TV. Class 99. Let's go! Beginner. Yes, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to class number 99. As always, we will begin with a review of the material from the last class, class 98. And we were practicing the as comparison. Tan como. Tan bien como. Can you write as well as Shakespeare? No, I can't write as well as Shakespeare. Can you lift as much weight as Arnold Schwarzenegger? Can you? No, Kyle, no, I can't lift as much weight as Arnold Schwarzenegger. I can't. No. Can I speak Spanish as well as you? No, Kyle, you can't speak Spanish as well as me. Can you swim as fast as Michael Phelps? Remember Michael Phelps? The Olympic champion from Beijing. He set many records. Can you swim as fast as Michael Phelps? No, I can't swim as fast as Michael Phelps. Can you play tennis as well as Nadal? No, I can't play tennis as well as Nadal. Can you drive as fast as Alonso? No, I can't drive as fast as Alonso. So, as fast as good as. Okay. Is Madrid as big as New York City? No. Madrid isn't as big as New York City. No, it's not as big as New York City. Is Madrid as beautiful as San Sebastián? Well, it's a question of opinion. I don't know. In your opinion, is Madrid as beautiful as San Sebastián? Maybe. Some people will say, yes, Madrid is as beautiful. And others will say, no, Madrid is not as beautiful as San Sebastián. It's a matter of opinion. I like Madrid. I think it's a beautiful city. But San Sebastián, obviously, is a very, very beautiful city. Okay, now we can move on and practice with our translation list from yesterday, which was list number 27. Translation. Yes, it is time to review translation list number 27. Getting started with the first sentence here. Él es médico. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. Number 2. Sus pacientes son personas normales. His patients are normal people. His patients are normal people. Number 3. Son como tú y como yo. They're like you and me. They're like you and me. Number 4. Yo no soy como tú. I'm not like you. I'm not like you. Yo no soy como tú. I'm not like you. No, we're different. El mundo es grande. This is number 5. El mundo es grande. It's where that. The world is big. Big. Big? No. Big. Big. Otra vez? Big. Big. The world is big. Very good. Europa es un continente. Europe is a continent. Europe. Not Europe. No, Europe. Europe is a continent. Number 7, no son necesarios. They aren't necessary. They aren't necessary. Number 8, ¿cuáles son los míos? Which ones are mine? Which ones are mine? ¿Cuáles son los míos? Number 9, los tuyos son los que están en la mesa. Yours are the ones on the table. Yours are the ones on the table. Number 10. ¿Es esta la respuesta? Is this the answer? Is this the answer? Number 11. El hijo del señor Moreno es alto. Mr. Moreno's son is tall. Mr. Moreno, maybe Mr. Brown, like Richard Brown, Ricardo Moreno, Richard Brown. Mr. Moreno's son is tall. Es alto. He's tall. Hace frío. Number 12. Hace frío. Boof. Hace frío. It's cold. It is. With the verb to be, it's cold. It's hot. It's cold. It's hot. It's cold. Hace frío. It's cold. It's cold. Alrighty. Well done. Before we start with the new content from class 99, let's take a look at our word of the day. Word of the day. Yes, the word of the day today is crowd. Crowd. C-R-O-W-D, which is muchedumbre, multitud, crowd. It's amazing how big the crowds are in the center of Madrid around Christmas time. I go down there sometimes. I go to the center of Madrid, and I think, I just want to get out of this crowd. It's very crowded. It's very crowded. Abarrotado, we say. Crowded. It's very crowded. I can't escape the crowd. Crowd. C-R-O-W-D. We can use the verb to gather. Sometimes crowds gather. It means it forms. A crowd gathers around the site of something, the location of something interesting. Or if something happens, sometimes if there's a car accident, a crowd will gather to see because they're curious to see what's happening. Or if there's a show, a spectacle, a crowd will gather to observe the spectacle. So a crowd, C-R-O-W-D. And that's our word of the day. All right, now we can try a structure which is very important, which is the same as. My shoes are the same as my friend's shoes. We have the same shoes. Yeah. My shoes are the same as his. Now we have the structure is the same as. Very important. Not the same that or the same than. No, we say is the same as. My shoes are the same as his. My pen is the same as yours. Now, in this point, we're practicing many important things. This piece of grammar, this important piece of grammar, but also fractions and percentages. So I can say that 1/2 is the same as 50%. This is true. 1/2 is the same as 50%. 1/4 is the same as 25%. 1/3 is the same as 33.3%. 3/4 or 3/4 is the same as 75%. we still say is. I say 1/4 is the same as 25%. 3/4 with an S, but I still say is the same as 75%. It's like saying X is the same as Y. 3/4, yes, there are 3 quarters there, but we say is because it's one figure. It's one singular figure. X is the same as Y. A is the same as B. 3/4 is the same as 75%. 2/3 is the same as 66.66666%. Or 66.7, you could say, percent. So repeat after me. 1/10 is the same as 10%. 1/8 is the same as 12.5%. 7/8 is the same as 87.5%. Repeat, please. 7/8. So 1/8. 1/8. So here we have the ordinal numbers. 1/8. And now 7/8. So the pronunciation here is a little bit tricky. It's a little bit tricky because we have the TH sound. We have the TH sound, and then we change from the TH to the S. So 8ths, 8ths. And then we have to link all that together. 8ths, 1/8, 7/8. 1/8, 7/8. So 7/8 is the same as 87.5%. 2/5 is the same as 40%. 40. 2/5. Okay, fifths. So remember, we say 5. And then when we change to the ordinal, we say 5th. I live on the 5th floor. 1/5 is the same as 20%. 2/5 is the same as 40%. We have this special relationship between the V and the F. 5, and then the ordinal we say 5th. 5th. 2/5 is the same as 40%. Twice that. 4/5 is the same as, yes, 80%. 2/9 is the same as 22.2%. 5/8 is the same as 62.5%. 1/10 of a kilometer is the same as 100 meters. Yes. 1/10 of a kilometer is the same as 100 meters. Yes. 3/10 of a kilometer is the same as 300 meters. 1.6 kilometers is the same as 1 mile. And 1 kilometer is the same as 0.63 miles. 0.63 miles. So repeat, 1 kilometer is the same as 0.63 miles. Good. Is the same as, is the same as, is the same as, are the same as. My shoes are the same as his. My books are the same as yours. His pen is the same as mine. Our table is the same as theirs. This building is the same as the other one. Is the same as. Never is the same that or than, okay? No problem? Good. All right, let's move on and take a look at our vocabulary of the day. Vocabulary of the day. Yes, it is time for our vocabulary of the day, our 5 words of vocabulary. The first word, cielo, cielo, which is sky, sky. Yes, I like it when the sky is blue. Canción, song, song, song. To sing a song, cantar una canción, to sing a song. Sonido, sound, sound, sound. Sur, south, south. Yes, yesterday we talked about north. We had the word north, and today, south. Polar bears live in the north, and penguins live in the south. Primavera, spring, spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring, not a spring, eso no, spring, spring, okay, very good. So there we have our 5 words of vocabulary. Our 5 words of vocabulary today, the first word was sky, second, canción, which was song, sound, south, and spring. Okay? Now, moving on to the end of class number 99, we have today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Are you going to wash your hair tomorrow? Are you going to wash your hair tomorrow? Yes, I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. Are you going to wash your hair later today? Yes, I'm going to wash my hair later today. Did you wash your hair yesterday? Yes, I washed my hair yesterday. So, today, tomorrow, yesterday. Are you going to cook dinner tomorrow? Yes, I'm going to cook dinner tomorrow. Are you going to cook dinner later today? Yes, I'm going to cook dinner later today. Did you cook dinner yesterday? Yes, I cooked dinner yesterday. Are you going to drive your car tomorrow? Yes, I'm going to drive my car tomorrow. Did you drive your car yesterday? Yes, I drove my car yesterday. Are you going to drive your car later today? Yes, I'm going to drive my car later today. Are you going to see someone named Maria tomorrow? Yes, I'm going to see someone named Maria tomorrow. Did you see someone named Maria yesterday? Yes, I saw someone named Maria yesterday. Are you going to see someone named Maria later today? Later today. Yes, I'm going to see someone named Maria later today. So the words today, tomorrow, and yesterday appear at the end of the sentence. Okay? We are out of time, but I will see you tomorrow. Will you be listening tomorrow? Yes, Kyle, I'll be listening tomorrow. Good. I hope so. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.